Security is always a big concern when you're looking at transitioning to a cloud environment. And a lot of assumptions go into thinking it will be an insecure environment to enter. But actually, we should turn that question around a little bit and say, how can the cloud provide a more secure environment than what we're currently doing today? And for instance, the cloud enables you to have a homogenous infrastructure. It enables you to expand that infrastructure, including your cybersecurity monitoring activities. And so you can actually achieve a greater level of security in certain configurations if you make the right choices. In addition to that, you have the ability then to focus in areas when things come up and add more resources and then take away those resources as it goes. So I think if you choose the right cloud architecture, the cloud environment can be actually more secure than what you're doing today. Cybersecurity has been seen as a cost center for so long. And today, we have new ways of doing cybersecurity to automate things, relieve your analysts of workloads. But in addition to that, cybersecurity enables your organization to start new business processes that were previously not something you could consider. For instance, look at mobility. And when you add identity management to that, you now have whole new functions that you could do for your constituency, your customers, and even your staff that you would never have been able to do without identity management. So it doesn't just protect you against data loss protection or insider threat, it actually enables new capabilities for your organization. Our customers are running into that fiscal problem now, as you might imagine. And what they want to see now is, what can we do with the investments we've already made? We've got a lot of cybersecurity mechanisms. How can we bring them all together? And so the biggest questions we're getting today is, how do I mold this information into one cohesive point of view? How do I make a decision with the information available to me? How do I use the most advanced features of the investments I've already made? So services is a real big play right now in order to keep the budget under control while also solving critical problems. The biggest innovations that I'm working on involve transitioning security from a cost center to a business center where you have not only protected your environment, but also enabled new capabilities. And the innovations we're looking at involve federation of identities, even out to bring your own identity, where we can actually authenticate people outside of the network that don't have necessarily all the credentials, but they have the credentials they need to get the function done that they need at the time they need it done. And in that manner, we can extend the border outside of the traditional enterprise and let customers or constituents come in to get the services they need. At HP, we think of innovation every day. In fact, this week is HP Innovation Week. And we start right off by hiring the best people and put them into diversely talented teams. We get all the right people together to think on a problem. Inside HP, we also realize that a large organization can really stand in the way of creative thinkers at times. So we've started new initiatives like Bureaucracy Busters to really shut that down and just move those things out of the way and let that innovation happen. And then, of course, we reward great talent. So it's easy to maintain a culture of innovation like that. And then you have specific items that you pursue. This year, we've increased our patents tremendously. And if you look at the types of things that we're coming out with, it's really innovative work, and our people are very excited about it.